Hallo alle und herzlich willkommen. This course will be great for you if you are not a complete beginner, but there is still a lot to learn. Or if you watched my two first courses in the series and want to learn more. Or if you're getting ready to get your Goethe A2 Zertifikat or a similar exam. My name is Sandra, and I'm a professional German teacher with experience in teaching thousands of satisfied students all across the globe since 2011. So, what do you get with this course? You get bite-sized lessons that can fit into every schedule, interesting visuals and explanations, with a lot of little tips and tricks how to learn faster and remember things easier. Clear and colorful grammar explanations with a lot of examples. Real-life dialogues and authentic situations. This course will really level up your German skills and help you become more confident and fluent. So, what are you waiting for? See you in the course!